ये लो आ गया।
ओह, हेलो अंकल।
बधाई हो। मेरा
Thank you.
रघु तुम्हारी बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता है। ये उसका बायोडेटा।
हाय
हाय।
अजय, प्रमोशन की मिठाई ना सही, कम से कम तुम्हारे ऑफिस में मेरे लिए कुछ हो तो प्लीज।
अजय भैया, भैया मेरा भी कुछ करा दो ना, ऐसी की लाइफ T20 हो जाए आपकी तरह।
अगर शुरुआत सही हो तो कुछ भी मुमकिन है। जेट किंग हार्डवेयर एंड नेटवर्किंग इंस्टीट्यूट, कुछ बनकर निकलो।
Now I am going to explain about different types of RAM. Different types of RAMs are SDRAM and DDR-RAM. In DDR-RAM there are DDR1, DDR2 and DDR3 RAM. First I will explain about SDRAM. This is a SDRAM. You can see the label on it. Every RAM manufacturer put a label on its products. You can see it's written PC100 32 MB 4M into 16 HDRAM. So this is a HDRAM module. PC100 means this RAM operates at 100 MHz FSB. 32 MB is the capacity of this RAM module. It can store data up to 32 MB. To identify this type of memory, you can identify from this label or from notches. You can see there are two notches on it, one at the center and other one at towards end. You can also identify from its pin count. See, this is pin number 1 and it ends at 84 at one side. Similarly, as it's a D module, its opposite side, it starts from 85 and ends at 168. So in total there are 168 pins in a SDRAM module. It operates at 3.3 volt. The FSB of SDRAM is 100 or 133 MHz. These are the informations which you should know about SDRAM. This is a DDR1 SDRAM. To identify a DDR1 SDRAM, you can see there is only one notch at the center. Now we'll know the total number of pins. This is pin number 1 and it ends at 92 at one side. Similarly, at opposite side it starts from 93 and ends at 184. So in total in a DDR1 SDRAM there are 184 pins. Now look at the label. It is written 256 MB DDR PC400. 256 MB is the size or capacity of this RAM. PC400 means 400 MHz FSB at which it operates. So a DDR1 SDRAM has 184 pins. Maximum FSB is 400 MHz and its operating voltage is 2.5 volt. Next I will explain about DDR2 SDRAM. You can see there is only one notch available in this RAM module, but the location of this notch varies from DDR1. As you can see, the notch in DDR1 is at the center, whereas in DDR2 it is towards left. If you will look at the pin count, it starts from 1 and ends at 120 in one side, and at opposite side it starts from 121 and ends at 240. So in total it has 240 pins. You can see the label on it. It is written Hynix, means who is the make or manufacturer of this RAM module, and it's a very good manufacturer. Next, 256 MB. means which is the capacity of it. Next, PC2 4200U 4412. In PC2, 2 means DDR2 4200, which represents 533 MHz FSB. In this way, you can identify a DDR2 RAM module from its notch, pin counts which is 240, FSB which are available in 533, 667 and 800 MHz, and operating voltage which is 1.8 volt. Now I'll explain about the latest RAM module, that is DDR3. This is most widely used nowadays. You can see the notch on it. The location is slightly different from DDR2 and DDR1 as well. Now I'll compare notch location between various DDR RAM modules. Between DDR1 and DDR2 it is slightly different, but in DDR3 it is more towards left. If we talk about pin count, it is 240 in both DDR2 and DDR3 RAM, but notch location is different. This way you can distinguish a DDR2 and DDR3 RAM physically. DDR3 operates at 1.5 volt. Now look at the label on it. It's written Kingston, who is the manufacturer. 1.5 volt, which is the operating voltage of this RAM module. Next it is written 1333, which means 1333 MHz FSB. In general, DDR3 RAM operates at 1333, 1667 and 1800 MHz FSB. So, a DDR3 RAM module has 240 pins. Notch is located towards left. Comparing DDR2 and DDR1, operating voltage is 1.5 volt and FSB are 1333, 1667 and 1800 MHz. These are the information which you should know about various RAM modules.